Hidden away in a remote corner of the Autodesk website is a treasure chest of add-ons for the Autodesk Inventor application. Autodesk Labs is a website where new functionality is introduced to the Autodesk user community. Inventor users will find numerous tools to perform unique design tasks, as well as previews of upcoming application enhancements. In this video, we'll review some of the great tools currently available in the Autodesk Labs. You can find the Autodesk Labs by going to Autodesk.com. On the Communities menu, you'll find the Autodesk Labs. The web address for Autodesk Labs is labs.autodesk.com. Several tools from Autodesk Labs accomplish unique design tasks and quickly become tools users can't live without. Let's take a look at the must-have utilities currently available for Autodesk Inventor at Autodesk Labs. The first tool we're going to look at is the 2D to 3D tool for Autodesk Inventor. You can download the add-on here. The 2D to 3D tool for Inventor allows users to design an Inventor component from 2 or 3 orthographic AutoCAD views. This tool allows users to leverage existing 2D AutoCAD data and quickly develop a 3D design based on that data. I've opened my Inventor application and I want to give you a quick demonstration of the 2D to 3D tool for Autodesk Inventor. The first thing I want to do is open an existing AutoCAD drawing. This drawing contains 3 views of a component. Now I'm just going to copy this data and start a new file. I'm going to paste the 3 views into the first sketch of the drawing. When you install the 2D to 3D tool for Inventor, you'll find the access for it underneath of the Part Features panel bar. It's very easy to use. It places a theoretical box on the screen and allows you to select the face of that box and the geometry for your base view. Then you can select the orthographic views and it places those on the box automatically. You can then use the extrude command to quickly select all of the profiles from the original sketches and send those profiles into 3D space. To get your part, we'll use the extrude command and the intersect option for the orthographic sketches. The 2D to 3D tool makes it very easy to create a 3-dimensional component from 2-dimensional sketches. The next tool I want to show you is the feature recognition tool for Autodesk Inventor. You'll find this tool here in Autodesk Labs. The feature recognition tool for Inventor provides the ability to reverse engineer translated data into true feature-based components. If you've ever imported a STEP or ACES file, you know that all design history is lost and only the base shape is translated. The feature recognition tool allows the user to select features of the base component and convert them into true modeling features. When the translation is complete, the base part is converted to a full feature-based model, complete with supporting sketches. Let's take a look at an example of the feature recognition tool for Autodesk Inventor. The first thing I want to do is open up a component. This is actually an ACES file. You know, when you open up translated data, you lose the design history, and you just end up with a base feature in the browser. Well, when you install the feature recognition tool, you'll find that each time you open a component containing a base feature, that you automatically be prompted to recognize the features. Now for this example, I'm going to select yes. Now the tool does come with an automated way to recognize features. I'm going to choose to select all and click Apply. Now when I select Return, the part is recreated with model features. And you can use the End of Part icon to move around and see how the part was recreated automatically with the feature recognition tool. I'm going to open that part again, and this time I'm manually going to use the commands in the feature recognition tool to create the component. I'm going to choose Yes to recognize the features. And then I'm going to recreate the part in reverse order. Let me show you what I mean. The last thing I would do to this part is add the chamfer. That's the first feature I want to recognize. Then we can drill the hole. I'll handle this as an extrusion. And I'll handle the remaining feature as a revolve. Now the part's created the way I would have created it. We even have supporting sketches for our features. And if I activate the feature for the hole, you'll see all the information about the hole. You can even change it to a through all hole for that particular termination. So the feature recognition tool allows me to take translated data where I've lost design history and replace it with Inventor's feature-based designs. The next tool I want to show you is the Shrink Wrap add-on for Autodesk Inventor. Now this is a new tool. It was recently added to Autodesk Labs. You can download the Shrink Wrap add-on for Inventor here. The Shrink Wrap add-in for Inventor is a new tool available on Autodesk Labs. This add-in allows users to quickly derive an assembly into a single solid body, removing all interior parts and voids. Now users can quickly share the outside envelope of an assembly design without revealing the internal components. This ability will also enhance the new substitute level of detail available in Inventor 2009.